Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're in the Peak District. We're currently at Winnats Pass, which as you can see is a pretty epic location here in the Peak District. I kind of cocked up the sunrise though. I was meant to be here for sunrise, but as I was driving in, Lady Bower just looked real pretty. So I snapped some of that, which you're going to see now. And I'm back at Winnats Pass. The sun's pretty high, but I did get up here in my car just in time for the golden light to shine through, which was just unbelievable. So today is going to be a little bit of POV photography. I brought with me my Mamiya. If you guys saw the Lake District video, you'll know that film doesn't really do very well in the cold, but we're going to try a little bit, see what happens, see if it works out. And I've also got my Sony, obviously, so it's a bit of POV, a bit of drone, a bit of digital, a bit of film, just an amalgamation of photography, and we'll just see how it goes. So stay tuned. We've come to Castleton, and as you can see, this view is pretty nice. We've just been over to the famous house, which you'll have seen on Instagram, stuff like that. Pants, absolute pants. It's so bleak, it's so grey, they've let weeds grow over it. It's really disappointing, but you know, this view's really nice. And also, turns out that film cameras, well, this medium format camera, my Mamiya 645, does work in the cold. I've just slapped off a few frames here, and it seems to be working fine, but my Canon A1 doesn't work in the cold. So if any film enthusiasts who know more than I do could give me some insight as to why this works and my Canon doesn't in the cold, that'd be great. But yeah, I think we're done for this afternoon. We're gonna get some soup, we're gonna have a chill, and then we're gonna hit up a sunset later on tonight.
My memory card. Oh.
So if I'm at 1/1000 and I'm pointing there, so if I'm at meter for the shadows, 2.8, 1/500. Lunch completed, hot soup, hot turkey, banging. We're just climbing up Bamford Edge now because we think the sunset's going to be super nice and it's going to reflect off of the water of Lady Bower. Bamford Edge, Peak District classic, just bring you along. Might shoot some film, might not, I'll debate that as and when we get there. But yeah, look out for some drone stuff, some digital, see what we get, and hopefully the sunset's pretty nice. And then that's Peak District complete. Well, sort of. think I'm going to put you like in direct sun. Hey, it's mid-edit, Chris. So whilst I was out in the peaks on this video, I didn't actually realise how bad my mic quality was because I had the Rode like strapped into that outer strap of my GoPro mount. It's pretty windy, so for the next few clips I'm gonna like pop up in the like bottom right of your screen and essentially just interpret what I was saying, because yeah, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. So forgive that. I'll try my best. Hope you enjoyed the video so far, and if you are, drop a little comment, like. That was awful. So sorry, I don't want to beg. But if you want to, that'd be nice. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch up with you when the sound gets bad again, which is a lot. See you in a bit. So last video, the film didn't work, and this time for some bad sound. So here we got to the top of Bamford Edge, and it was essentially me talking about how the last time I shot a video, my film camera didn't work, and now it is. But now, because it's so cold and so windy at the top of Bamford Edge, modern technology failed us and my GoPro stopped working. So it's kind of just addressing the lack of POV footage, because my GoPro records like 6 seconds at a time during the cold. I ask for advice a lot on this channel, but if anyone does know why that might be, I know it's something to do with the batteries and the cold weather, but if there's anyone out there who's figured this issue out and solved it, let me know in the comments. Be super grateful. Thank you. Completed for today. Unfortunately, this is the last one because it's the end of the video, but the sound did fail on the last clip we shot as well, which was so annoying because you can see it's just crazy pretty. But yeah, this is the end of the video, and I really enjoyed shooting film in the peaks, and I'm really happy with how it came out. I can say that in retrospect. This guy had no idea how it was going to turn out, but yeah, I was really pleasantly surprised with what we shot. I think film and the Peak District just go hand in hand, and it was lovely to get out shooting with the Mamiya properly. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did like the video, do all the nice stuff. I'm pretty sure I say in this video that I don't know how to end videos, and that still stands here like a month later. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one.